Hey, good morning. Scott Kuykendall from Layman's here in Morton, Illinois. 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. 14,000 miles on it. It is loaded up with equipment. Our forward-facing radar, so it's got adaptive cruise. It's got lane departure. In a copper color, this is a very, very popular color. Projector beam headlights on it. I'll show you everything about it. It's got an entertainment package, so it's got video. Tires are in great shape. Condition of the car is in great shape. Doesn't smell like smoke or anything like that. Got power sliders. Power liftgate in the rear. It's a bright sunshiny day here, but it is cold, 20-some degrees. Got a factory hitch on it, so you can put a bike rack on the back or you can even tow. It's already wired for a trailer if you need it, 4 flat or the 7-way. Super clean. I don't even see a door ding on it. Let me show you more about it. Of course, we got a power liftgate on the rear. Stow-N-Go seats. First row, second row. There's the headphones. Got a DVD running, I'll show you a little bit more about it. Audio hookups on the back of the front seats. Got a USB port here in the rear. This one's a nice one. So looking at it, of course, you got power sliders. They're leather seats, fronts, and they're perforated, so the fronts are heated and cooled. Second row is heated. The controls right there on the door. Like I said, here's your audio controls for the second seat. Flip up 10-inch screens, hope you can see that. Got Madagascar running on it this morning. Power windows, power door locks, of course power driver seat, and they're perforated. Automatic headlamps. Looking at the radio, got AM, FM, satellite radio on it, of course. Media controls, climate controls, I'll just turn them on. They kind of duplicate, so you have control from down here, but you can also do it on the screen, and you can handle the rear climate controls. Got the heated seat. Does have surround camera on it. So you get different views. View out the front, narrow out the front, and of course you get the top-down view on it also. Okay. So when we look at the apps, if I can push the right button, Uconnect Theater. You can select each screen. It does have parallel and perpendicular parking, lane departure. It does have adaptive cruise control. Like I said, 14,500 miles on it. Super nice, super clean. Call me on this one. Hi, Scott Kuykendall here from Layman's in Morton, Illinois. 30 years experience automotive. In today's internet marketplace, buying an automobile via the internet is frustrating, scary, and it's really sometimes pretty difficult. I'll try not to make that for you, even to the point that if I'll send you a video, I'll send you a text, email, whatever works for you. I can handle shipping, great pricing. New cars, we just need a little information that way we can get your rebates correct. Used cars, I'm very transparent. Check my Google reviews. Please call me. Give me a buzz anytime you want. I'm happy to help. We're here to do the business for you.